Today I wanted to try doing a 3D design. With this machine, they say if the door closes all the way, you don't have to turn the tumbler. So let's see if that's true. Here's a side view so you can see how much it wraps around the tumbler. This is very hot, so always make sure to use heat gloves when you're handling the tumblers. It looks good except that little white spot at the bottom. I'll make sure to do the tape tighter next time. I love that you can't see a seam at all. I did this for my mother-in-law, so she's gonna love this.